let me explain. If you're here and I'm there, that means that you subscribed to my channel a couple years ago. I haven't posted anything in 2 years, but I decided to come back. So let me introduce myself again. My name is Pamela Estephan, but my friends and family call me Pam or Pammy. And since I want you guys to be part of my gang, yeah, I want us to be a gang, I decided to call my channel this way. So this will be a beauty vlog channel where I'll be reviewing some products, I'll be giving you some makeup magic tricks, I'll be showing you some tips and tricks, daily makeup looks, night makeup looks, I'll have some guests joining me. I'll even do some videos in French. I'm seriously thinking about it, so that's to be continued. Like, a lot of fun things will happen here, but I want us also to share some stories and have fun, because I want this channel to be a feel-good channel to come to. And the way we can achieve that is by you guys leaving me your comments about the next subject we're talking about, what's gonna happen next. So like, let's do this together. Guys are like, the hell am I doing here? But no, wait. I promise you that some of the content that I'll be posting, you'll be able to relate to. So don't go anywhere, you stay. And that's how long I can be serious for. Guys, before ending this video, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. I need to thank a few people for making this video possible. So I'm gonna start with Kamil Maksoud. He's a photographer slash videographer. He created the intro of that video and he totally got where I was going with my ideas and he made them come to life. So thanks to you. I need to give a huge shout out to John Mo. John Mo is one of the JK bros. If you don't know them, you need to check out their channel. They're hilarious. You're gonna love them. I'm gonna put the link to their channel in the description below. So he's in the YouTube game and that just pushed me to come back even faster than what I first thought I would. And then I need to give a huge shout out to my friend Pat, who actually created the logo with me. So I hope I didn't drive him crazy, but it was a whole night where we're like back and forth and he made it happen. So thank you so much. And last, she's probably not expecting it, but Stephanie Martinez is one of my first subscribers on YouTube, and she honestly never gave up on me. During those 2 years, she would message me like, hey Pam, where are you? Let's go, waiting for your videos. And it's just like so motivating. Just to have her there was a good reminder of why I was doing all this. And that's it. I'm gonna now share, because it's like an intro video, we're doing this together, right? I'm gonna tell you how I'm gonna end my videos from now on. So I used to go like, bye, but I decided to go instead like with this. But then I didn't think that you would see the whole reflection of everything I have in front of me. I could put it lower, whatever. Let's just deal with it. And then I'm gonna have some, watch me doing this, okay? So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next videos. I'm out of here. I like it. Don't judge, guys. It's very good. I'm keeping this. It's a good idea.